Hey guys, it's Chase with Snow Performance, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Snow Performance Quick Disconnect Clamp Assembly, part number SNO-40117. The Snow Performance Quick Disconnect Clamp can withstand boost pressures of over 200 psi and temperatures of 400 degrees. The Quick Disconnect Clamp allows the O-ring movement and minor misalignment while still maintaining an excellent seal. The Quick Disconnect Clamp features a stepped lip to help hold the pipe in place while welding. The Quick Disconnect Clamps are made out of strong, lightweight black anodized aluminum. The assembly includes one black anodized lightweight aluminum clamp, two aluminum welded flanges, two high temperature O-rings, one aluminum sleeve, one push to lock pin, and the part number is SNO-40117. For more information on the Snow Performance Quick Disconnect Assembly and other great Snow Performance products, please visit www.snowperformance.net.